Question number 7. It's an output type of question. So anyway, global variables are not there. So execution starts at the main function. D is pointing to this dictionary. Now str1 equal to empty string. So you can note down str1 is pointing to empty string. Now for I in D, if you simply write the dictionary name, by default you will get each and every key. So I is pointing to the first key, India. So I is equal to IND. Now assignment operator, right hand side should be calculated first. str1 is empty string, I is India, IND, D of India will give you the corresponding value, that is del, and str of del means del will be returned as a string, even otherwise it is a string. So empty string concatenated with a string del concatenated with at the rate, that comes in str1. So now str1 becomes del at the rate. Now this is slicing operator. It returns all the characters starting from the first index. So first index is not given, which means from the beginning up to index -1, but -1 is excluded. So starting from the beginning, starting from the first index up to -1, this is the character corresponding to index -1. So up to -1, but -1 is excluded, so which means you get the string del. So here del is returned as answer and your str2 is pointing to del. Again, because of this for loop, statement repeats. The next key in dictionary D that will appear in variable I. So the next key is SRI, Sri Lanka. Again, I is Sri Lanka. D of Sri Lanka will give you the corresponding value COL. So str of Colombo will give you string COL. So str1, that is del at the rate, concatenated with COL at the rate, that comes in str1. So now str1 becomes del at the rate, COL at the rate. Now this is slicing operator. It returns all the characters starting from the first index. First index is not given, so from the beginning up to -1, but -1 is excluded. So this is beginning, index 0 up to -1. This is the character corresponding to -1, but -1 is excluded. So you get del at the rate COL, that is assigned it to str2. So now str2 becomes del at the rate COL. Because of this for loop, statement repeats. The last key of dictionary D, which is China, CHI, that appear in variable I. So now I is pointing to CHI. Again, I is China, CHI. D of China will give you the corresponding value Beijing, BEI. str of BEI, you get string BI. So str1, that is del at the rate, COL at the rate, is concatenated with BE, BEI at the rate. So now str1 becomes DL at the rate, COL at the rate, BEI at the rate. Again, this is slicing operator. It returns all the characters starting from the first index, but the first index is not given. So from the beginning up to -1, but -1 is excluded. Now this is the character corresponding to -1, but that is excluded. So you get del at the rate, COL at the rate, BEI, that is assigned it to str2. So now str2 becomes the string del at the rate, COL at the rate, BEI. Again, for I in D, no more items are there in dictionary D, so you exit from the for loop. Here str2 2 is printed. So this answer will appear in the monitor. So del at the rate col at the rate bi. So this is the final output of this program.